Hang on. This is a Cafe Del Loco. We are on live with uh, one of my associates. I'm not sure who he is, but here he is. Speak out, Mister. Yes, it's Cafe Del Loco. We serving drugs. We serving drugs. No, nothing like that. Earthquakes, what?
Did you hear what the new girl wants to do?
What mule? I'm smoking my cigarette. I'm smoking my cigarette. Just shut up. What does a mule want to do to me? Is it a male mule or a female mule?
Well, you know Bruce Jenner, the famous triathlete in 1973?
Oh, he's a transvestite now. I heard that.
He's transgender. You
Mm.
know what he wants to do now?
What?
Well, he wants to poke holes in his breast so he can start lactating. He wants to have a new baby.
He wants to have a baby? He wants.
He's going to have the rich doctors transform him into a female.
He's the rich doctors for money, right?
Sure. We need body parts.
Okay, I got body parts. How much you willing to spend? How much you willing to spend?
We got to get a few things for him.
Okay, what does he need? What does he really need?
All the female parts on the inside there. So he has to have all of that transformed and hooked up to him.
How about we just take his body parts and transform it into the female body parts for 3 times the cost and like 10 billion times the profit?
Well, why don't we use one of his daughters? I thought, because she has the same.
I can breed with one of his daughters. I can do that. I'm willing to breed with about anybody. She got 2 legs. Does she got 2 legs? I know. I don't want. Does she got 2 legs?
Sure, I guess so. I don't know if she has.
Does she have a pussy? No. This comment is: does she have a vagina that I can take advantage of?
Well, what I was thinking of is we could just sit there and cut them both, like both of their leg parts off, and right there in that middle area, just transform it. It's like Bruce Jenner, we'll keep him alive for a little while, just cutting his midsection off. Just kind of the lower of his belly button per se, and then just kind of put hers on him.
I'm just going to take a pot hit now and think about this. I'm going to take a pot hit now and think about this, okay?
Well, he needs to have a baby. That's his next wish. He wants to feel as much like a woman. Right now, he's trying to poke her to lactate.
He wants to lactate. Okay.
Well, he does. He wants to feel so much like that woman and just become it. And that's I think what he needs to do.
I have a question. Is that a bad thing?
Well, you know what? Most guys probably said this, that they always wanted to become a woman so they could play with themselves all day. But I mean, you kind of wonder why women just don't play with themselves all day.
They don't enjoy it. They don't enjoy it that way. They don't enjoy most of us. They know the consequences. God or somebody's going to make them pregnant and make them live with it. And that's why they don't enjoy it. It doesn't mean that there's certain ones they like, but most of the time, they're so hard to reach that there's no way the ones they'll like they can breed with, and that's the problem with society. They don't even like masturbating because all they think of is bad, evil thoughts.
Well, let's get back to the subject of Bruce Jenner.
Well, he's kind of cute.
He doesn't want to cut off his dick. So, basically, we're either going to have to report that whole midsection or somehow surgical parts into him.
How about we electronically remove it and let Bruce Jenner's dick run rampant in Congress. We'll probably get more done. We'll probably get more done. Bruce Jenner's dick running rampant in Congress, passing bills, butt fucking people. Yes, breeding with people. I don't know. They'll get more done.
You know what? He could be a breeder in Congress.
Yeah, he could.
Yeah, that wouldn't be a bad idea. Yeah, because I think a lot of congressmen, the old guys, would really like him, especially the old timers. They kind of look at him all the time and say, "Dad, look at that new Congress person."
Yeah. They're like, I'll take it up the butt. He'll take it up the butt. He's transgendered. He's transgendered. He might just get me a pussy to fuck. Not just his butt, but his pussy. He'll fuck me up the ass. And we'll fuck over the whole nation. That sounds good to him and me. Okay, Craig, I want to find out how this comes out now. So call me. I'm going to download it. Are you up for a while or do you got to go to bed?
I'm going to run into bed tonight because I woke up probably about 3 minutes ago. That's why I was about 2 minutes late to call you.
Okay.
So what you're going to do is give me the title of the video that it's going to be.
And you're going to watch it tonight?
I'll give you some feedback.
Okay.
I'll watch you in a little while, yeah. Then I'll go to bed.
Okay, well, it's up and running, and the phone's right here. I hope it works out. We're giving it a try. Don't forget, the dog farted yesterday, and if you can't smell it today, just wait. It's coming your direction. And if you don't believe me...
I thought that's what I smelled 3 times today were dog farts, and I didn't even know where in the hell I was, and it was just like this whiff of dog fart shit came through my nose, and I'm looking
I have neighbors and things like that, and they're coming. I live upwind from you, so they're coming your way. So you just keep smelling, keep your spirits up, okay? The dog farts are coming your way. You'll feel better soon. You don't need the
crazy. What's the title of the video tonight?
I don't know yet. Testing.
Why don't you just title and I'll just put up your name and it'll come under your account.
Yep.
Put that up.
It's going to be Cafe Del Loco. Cafe Del Loco. Me and Craig testing. That's what it's under. Cafe Del Loco. Me and Craig testing.
No, not that. Cafe Del Loco.
What?
Have you heard about Bruce Jenner?
Have you heard about Bruce Jenner? I don't know how to spell that, but I'll try. Okay.
Or just say latest news.
Latest news. We're still on video. We're still on video right now, so just repeat that.
It's Cafe Del Loco. It's about current events.
Bruce Jenner. Keep going. Bruce Jenner. Oh, he just cut off. Well, this is Cafe Del Loco out, and I'll catch you soon.